Coconut is a popular crop in Vietnam. However, sport coconut, or scientifically known as Macapuno, is only available in Tre Vinh province in the west of Vietnam. The fruit is dense copra, the flesh is thick, soft, fragrant, greasy taste with pasty Swedish flesh and high nutritional value, so that Macapuno has become a very preferred speciality. The special feature of this type of coconut is the rarity that can't always be bought by money, because each coconut chamber has a few dozens of fruits, only has about 2 to 3 Macapuno, whereby only Cau Ke land has enough climate condition and suitable soil for Macapuno growth. Wishing to improve the economic value of agricultural products in Tre Vinh's hometown, while further promoting the access of Macapuno to domestic and foreign consumers, Cau Ke Macapuno Processing Company Ltd was established by Tran Dai Lin as director by deeply modern processing with strictly standard monitoring from the raw material area. Cau Ke Macapuno Processing Company Ltd XER Vicosap has received many positive feedbacks from the market with products such as Vicosap Pure Macapuno Candy, Vicosap Cocoa Macapuno Candy, Vicosap Banana Candy, Vicosap Sweet Macapuno Strings, Vicosap Crispy Dried Macapuno, Vicosap Crispy Dried Macapuno Yogurt. Currently, we supply to markets as England, Japan, Taiwan, Cambodia, US tons per month. We committed each Macapuno from planning to packaging all meat quality standards with certifications, such as ISO 9001-2015, ISO 22000-2018, HACCP FDA. No sweeteners, no bleach, no chemical color, no preservatives. Vicosap. Safe for everyone's health,